Hello student, welcome to our channel Learning Zoology with AC. I am Dr. Aruna Chakravarti, Associate Professor of Zoology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Students, in this lecture we will discuss fish osteology. The skeletal system forms the framework of the body and is mainly composed of the bones and tissues. The main function of the skeletal system are protection, help in movement, provide shape and support. They are the site for the storage of minerals like calcium. Fish is an aquatic organism which belongs to the subphylum Pisces. In the taxonomic hierarchy, fishes belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata. They are in diverse groups which include jawless fish, armored fishes, cartilaginous fishes, lobe fin fishes, and ray fin fishes, and so on. Among these, most of them are ectothermic, that is cold-blooded organism. According to the behavior and characteristics of nature, they show diversity in their bodily structure. Most of the fishes have strong and firm bony skeleton system. Skeletal system of fish. General features of the fishes include fins, streamlined body, and scales and tail. But differences are highlighted under their skins. Hence, classification is much easier based on the skeletal system. A variety of fishes is found in aquatic habitat. Some may be cartilaginous, that is condycthies, or bony fishes, that is osteichthyes. The skeletal system of fishes is either composed of thin and flexible cartilage or hard calcified bones or both. They are good swimmers and their body structures are designed accordingly. Composition of fish skeletal system. A skeleton of fish is either made of bone or cartilage. There are two different skeletal types: exoskeleton, an outer shell of an organism; endoskeleton, inner shell of an organism. The main features of the fish skeletal systems are: it consists of vertebral column, jaw, ribs, cranium, and intramuscular bones. It provides protection and control, and also they produce red blood cells in addition to kidneys and spleen. Starting from the head, bony fish consist of solid hard bones called cranium. Cranium protects the brain from mechanical stresses. Osteichthyes have hinged jaw which aid them in feeding. But fishes like hagfishes, lampreys are jawless fishes. Swim bladders help them to take up the dissolved oxygen from water and provide buoyancy. Otoliths are unique characteristics of ear plates of bony fishes which help in steadiness. Gills are the pair of respiratory organ of fish and some amphibians. There are three pairs of bone that add gills. This pair of bone is called gill arches, which are made of bony filaments. Fins are a vital part of fishes. They help with propulsion, steering, and stability. Paired fins take up the role of steering, while caudal fin and dorsal fin help in propulsion and stability respectively. The branches of study dealing with fish bones is called fish osteology, or it may also be called as ichthyosteology. The endoskeleton of teleost is more or less completely ossified and includes both replacing and investing bones. For a symmetrical or systematic distribution, the entire endoskeleton may be studied in two basic components: the axial skeleton comprising of the skull and the vertebral column, the appendicular skeleton including the skeleton of median and paired fin, and the pectoral and pelvic girdle. So students, next class we will discuss axial skeleton. Thanks. Thanks for watching.